5 ways you can make money online. Looking to make money from a website? Want to earn cash from the comfort of your home as an internet marketer? In this presentation, we're going to go over 5 powerful ways that you can start generating cash from the comfort of your home. 1. Sell an ebook. If you have a website that has an audience, or even if you have just a big following on Instagram, you should consider selling an ebook. Selling an ebook means you can generate profit without any overheads, barely any administration, and no storage or fulfillment. People pay for your ebook, then they download it. It's that simple. If you're in the US, then you won't even be charged for VAT. 2. Create an e-commerce store. While ebooks are fantastic for generating cash quickly and easily, they do require an established audience. That's because not everyone reads ebooks. People won't read ebooks if they aren't tech-savvy, for instance, or if they don't like reading. That's why physical products still sell more than digital products. It takes a little time investing in physical products, but sites like Alibaba make it easier than ever. 3. Provide services. If you are an internet marketer who makes money from a website, then that means that you can also help other people to make money from their websites. And if you target massive brands, then you can earn a huge amount of money by doing this. You just need the confidence, and you need to turn those marketing skills in on yourself. Now you are the product. 4. Sell affiliate products. Selling affiliate products is an alternative to selling an ebook or similar. This essentially means that you will be selling products you did not make in order to make commission. The great thing about this method is that it will allow you to scale your business endlessly, and there is absolutely zero barrier to entry. 5. SaaS. SaaS is software as a service. This is a more ambitious method for making money online, but it's also one that has the highest chance of helping you to become a hugely successful startup working out of Silicon Valley. The aim here is to create some kind of web app that allows a useful service for individuals or businesses. All you need is a good idea. You can even hire someone else to do the programming. How to become a thought leader. Want to become a highly successful internet marketer? Then you also need to become a thought leader. A thought leader is someone who leads the discourse when it comes to a certain topic or niche. That means they will be able to influence buying decisions, as well as to start trends. Influencers are in demand for advertisers because they can greatly help them to gain exposure for their products, not to mention driving more sales. Imagine what you could do for your own brand or digital products as an influencer. So how do you become an influencer? The key is to understand that an influencer needs to have something unique and interesting to say. And this is where a lot of internet marketers go wrong. It's why a lot of internet marketers are not also influencers. The big mistake is to create a boring website that has no real message. An example might be a fitness website that just shares generic fitness tips. This doesn't have an emotional hook or anything to help it stand out from the crowd. Why would someone who knows a lot about fitness bother clicking on an article titled, "How to Get Great Abs"? It's boring. Instead, a thought leader is someone who can bring unique insight to a topic, based on their own passion, experience, and knowledge surrounding the topic. To make this happen, you first need to ensure that the topic you have picked is one that you genuinely know about and are interested in. If not, then it will come across that you are a noob. Chances are some of your content will be factually inaccurate or at best derivative. This is why hiring writers won't work. At the same time, you also need a brand and a message that is different from the competition. Again, a general fitness brand is not that. What is that? Is a fitness brand that takes inspiration from 80s action movies. Or how about a fitness brand that is all about training outdoors? These are more specific and niche concepts, but they are also unique. Moreover, the people who find them appealing will now only have one place to get that kind of content, and the rest of the fitness industry will certainly sit up and take notice. That is how you become a thought leader. That and lots of consistent posting with great marketing and a knack for telling stories.